We're leaving La Cruz for quite a while. We won't be back here till back into Banderas Bay, maybe what?
May, June?
May, June.
July?
Yeah, we're going back to the States. And we have our jib up. Captain Jeff put a new furling line on it. Worked well. We got a nice little visit by whales. And they went right in front of us. But these guys are getting way too close to them. Fishing boats. Oh no, don't get that. Okay, Sailor. Sailor has another dog. So they say you should stay 800 feet away, of course. They are way too close away. Sailor, come on, it's okay. I know, another dog. Yeah, you hear him. They need to leave. Beautiful. We're just going fast. We're not going to stay. Coming into the entrance of Marina Vallarta, and there's two really big cruise ships in there.